Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie Renee. If you are new here, I am a Skims fan and have already ordered from this company, but I did have to go back in and try some more items because I did catch the sale. I don't know if you guys caught it, but they did have a sale where some items were 50% off, so I definitely had to check it out. I'm gonna have a list up here of all the items that I'm gonna be reviewing, but I'm gonna do the terry head wrap, a Body Basics crew neck, a cotton jersey long sleeve t-shirt, as well as the Body Basics square neck bodysuit in garnet. So I got this one in black as well the last time, so if you haven't seen it, go back and watch my review about it, as well as watch my review about the return process. A lot of people wanted to know how that goes, so I'll put some links above as it goes so you guys can check that out as well. But I love this little like pinkish brown color. They're calling it garnet. I got it in an extra small, and I am gonna put a little footage of me up here so you guys can see it in the full length. But this is the Body Basics, which is different from the Fits Everybody. The Fits Everybody is like a thicker double lined, less shinier material. This one is a thinner lined one, but this one gives a lot more contouring or like fit to kind of hold you in. So this gives you like a tighter fit. I will list my measurements below as well, but I got it in the extra small, and with the sale it ended up being $28.99. So definitely a plus, and I love the color. I feel like it's a good nude for my skin tone. So next I am gonna try on, let's see, what is this? Oh yeah, I saw this color and I thought it was so pretty. This is the cotton jersey long sleeve t-shirt in deep sea, also an extra small. But I thought this color would be so complimentary because it's like neutral, but also a little different than anything I own. And since I've bought so many bodysuits, I thought it might be nice to have something non-bodysuit. You can also see how it kind of dips in at the waist, which is why we buy Skims. You see how it kind of goes in, so I love that. But I'm gonna go ahead and pop this on and show you guys how it looks. All right, so this is the cotton jersey, which I was wondering about. I hadn't tried this before. It has a very nice snug fit. It does kind of feel a little bit like workout gear, but it looks casual. The one thing I will say is the arms are super long on it. So if you are used to not having arms that are long enough, this is for you. Otherwise, the rest of us will be scrunching it up at the elbow, but way crazy long. The color is super cute. It looks just like how it looks online. This is an extra small, and it's in the color Deep Sea, which I think was one of like the seasonal colors, I want to say. But really nice thick quality material, not see-through, a really good fit. If I had it all over to do again, I think I would just get a regular small in the cotton jersey. It does say cotton jersey long, so maybe that's why it says long. It really is long. So that is the deal on that. And again, I'll show you guys footage of me standing up and showing it off over here. But yep, that is pretty much the takeaway for me regarding this shirt. I do love the fit of it. It is very nice and contouring, so I think it'd also be great with the short sleeves. I would definitely try that. But let's see what's next. So oh, okay. So this is another bodysuit because you guys know I'm obsessed. This is the Body Basics crew neck bodysuit in Sienna. Yeah, I didn't know what nude would be best for my skin tone, so I went with this one. This is the Sienna. It has a crew bottom, not a thong. Looks like it's gonna be very long, so I'm here for that. It also has the same kind of neck as this one does, where it's not raw, but it has like a cute little design that kind of makes you feel like it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this on next. And then also, I got the terry cloth head wrap in desert. So I think I'm gonna put them on together because I'm not really sure how this works, so I'll show you guys that too. So I will be right back. All right, so I did forget to mention that the last item went on sale for 28 bucks, but is originally like 58, I want to say. But this one is the Body Basics crew neck bodysuit in the color Sienna. Wasn't sure which nude would work best for me, but I do like the way this one is a little bit more peachier than my skin, so it's a little more complimentary. This one was $28.99. It's another one of the Body Basics. So again, giving you the contour in the bodysuit, and it's not double layered. But this one is probably the most see-through in color of all the Skims colors that I've tried so far. So if that's something you're skittish about, I would probably go with the darker colors. Now, regarding the terry head wrap in desert, I did look up to see how one puts this on, so I will show you guys that. But basically this is like you washed your hair and it is wet and you need to put it away to dry. So you take this part right here, and it has a little like rubber band thing for you to secure the top part. So you put this like this, and then wrap it, and all your hair would be inside of here drying. And then pull it back and then secure it in the little rubber band. Oop. Slightly fashionable, but they did have a light color too. And then they also had like a little towel wrap thing, which I thought was really cute that comes with it, but I wasn't sure about how this was gonna work, so I was like, let me just take baby steps. This was on sale for 14 bucks during the sale, but I believe it's originally 28, so I did catch a deal. But yes, this is how you would wear it. Super cute. And then also with the sale, they did give me the small neoprene pouch. So if you're wondering what that looks like, oh, it's cute. It has like the little Skims logo. And then you could probably just put like your bobby pins or like something, a little makeup to go kit. I mean, honestly, this whole bodysuit could easily fit in it, but it's just a cute little black pouch, which I live for black, so that works for me. So another success on this haul. You guys, if you want to see my last haul, which is a little bit bigger, please go ahead and click the link I put above, or it's also in the description, as well as my review on returning to Skims. Guys, let me know what you think and what your favorite nude color is from Skims, or if you're feeling it, not feeling it, let me know, guys. Otherwise, I look forward to talking to you guys next time. See you later.
You picture on my timeline.